Hi, Bob Thomason here. Had an idea recently that I just wanted to, dealing with home loans, and I just wanted to test it here and see if there's enough interest to pursue this further. Now, to give you a little background, my partner and I have worked many types of loans throughout our business careers, and we've learned a few techniques in that time, and some of it's not always common knowledge. So we thought about sharing some of this in a webinar format like we're doing right now. Now, what I want you to do is just sit back and relax. We're just testing to see if there's enough interest to do more of these, maybe even some live ones. So we're not trying to sell anything at this time. Now, first of all, I want to use a quick and easy example of a home loan. And for most of you, for many of you, home loans probably going to be one of the most expensive investments you'll ever make. Now, if you're planning to stay in your home for a number of years and possibly retire there, then ownership is probably something that's going to be important to you. And what I'm going to show you is how you can accelerate your loan, pay it off, and saving thousands of dollars without breaking the bank or breaking your budget. Now, you can sign up for a loan acceleration service. This is exactly what they do, plus they have to charge you a fee to do so because they've got to make a profit. And what I'm going to show you is exactly the same thing, but it costs you nothing, zero. And what I'm going to do is use an example of a home loan of $150,000, a 4% fixed rate for 30 years. Okay, we're going to I found an online mortgage calculator here that I'm going to use. And I've already plugged the figures in here. We got $150,000. And we're just going to assume that it starts the first of the year in this example. And we're going to go for 30 years. And we're going to run a annual percentage rate of 4%. So our monthly payment is going to be $716.12, as you see right there. Now, the way this works, go through here, our monthly payment, as I said, is equal to $716.12. Now, the way this is going to work with the finance company is, or the mortgage acceleration company, if they do this for you, they're going to take a monthly payment and divide it by 12. In this case, it would equal to $59.68. But in essence, what you're doing is you're making 13 payments a year rather than 12 payments a year. Now, this enables it to fit in most anybody's budget so that it's not a big sum coming out. They're also going to deduct it in the service company's situation. They're going to do this. They're going to make this transaction every 2 weeks. But they're only going to pay the mortgage payment because most mortgage companies will only allow you to make one payment a month. So you're just adding a little bit to the monthly payment so that you're getting a payment going in each month. So let's just add the $59.68. I hope I'm making sense here. Let's add the $59.68 to this amount here, to this monthly payment, and let's calculate that. Okay, this is showing me that I'm going to save $16,484.48 over the life of the loan. So instead of the loan being 30 years as it originally was, it's now going to be 26 years. So you're actually cutting 4 years off. Now, you can always add more to the monthly payment, but this is intended to make it very palatable for most anyone who's on somewhat of a budget, and most people are. I mean, we've got expenses and what have you. So this keeps you within budget. For a $716 a month payment, $60 is probably well within reach for the average person. But in doing so, in doing this and knowing this information, you can actually accomplish this yourself, and you don't need a mortgage company to do this. If you would like more information, just shoot us an email. in the box at the bottom right-hand corner of this webinar. We'd be glad to answer any questions that you've got, and would love to be of service in some way. So thanks very much for your time, and I appreciate your interest and look forward to hearing from you.